Buick Envision models from 2021 to 2024 store the compact spare tire, also known as a donut, in a lockable underbody compartment beneath the rear cargo area. This design maximizes trunk space. Access is gained via a marked access panel under the rear bumper. The spare is secured by a retaining bolt and wing nut. Essential tools and safety precautions are crucial before changing a tire on your Buick Envision. Ensure you have these tools: a lug wrench provided with the vehicle, a jack that fits designated points, and a wheel chock for added safety. The lug wrench included with your vehicle is used to loosen and tighten lug nuts. Always loosen them slightly before jacking to make removal easier. The jack is a scissor jack that fits into specific points under the vehicle frame. Only use it at the marked jack points to prevent damage. A wheel chock is recommended for extra safety. Place it behind the wheels opposite the flat tire to prevent any movement. For safety precautions, always park on a flat, stable surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly to secure the vehicle. Consider using wheel chocks behind the wheels opposite the flat tire for maximum stability. First, locate the access panel under the rear bumper of your Buick Envision. Use the lug wrench to turn the retaining bolt counterclockwise. This will lower the spare tire from the underbody compartment. Once lowered, disconnect the cable securing the tire. Before using the spare, check its pressure. It typically requires 60 psi. Remember, the spare tire is designed as a temporary solution for getting to a service center. Buick Envision has specific jack points located under the vehicle frame. These are usually marked with arrows or notches near the front and rear wheels. It's crucial to use these designated points to avoid damage to the vehicle's frame or other components. Never jack the vehicle up from unstable areas. With the vehicle safely secured, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Do this before jacking up the car to make removal easier. Position the jack at the identified jack point. The Buick Envision has designated points under the vehicle frame, marked with arrows or notches. Raise the vehicle using the scissor jack until the flat tire is off the ground. Ensure the jack is stable and the vehicle is secure. Fully remove the lug nuts and carefully remove the flat tire from the vehicle. Store the nuts safely. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, then carefully lower the vehicle. With the vehicle lowered back to the ground after changing the tire, begin by hand tightening the lug nuts using the lug wrench. Then, tighten them fully in a star pattern to ensure even pressure distribution across the wheel. Proper torquing is crucial for safety. Torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification of 100 pound-feet. Use a torque wrench if available to achieve the correct tightness and prevent wheel detachment. Remember to recheck lug nut torque after driving 50 to 100 miles, as they can loosen. Many service centers provide retorque stickers as reminders. Finally, reinstall the flat tire and spare tire in the underbody compartment. Secure the spare with the retaining bolt and ensure everything is properly locked. The compact spare tire in your Buick Envision is designed for temporary use only. It's not meant for long drives and has several important limitations you need to follow. Drive cautiously and limit your speed to no more than 50 miles per hour, which is about 80 kilometers per hour. Exceeding this speed can make the spare tire unstable and increase the risk of accidents. It's recommended to drive no more than about 70 miles on the spare tire before replacing it. Going beyond this distance can lead to rapid wear and potential damage to your vehicle. Driving long distances on a spare tire is dangerous because the tires wear out quickly. It can cause damage to other parts of your car, and there's a high chance of experiencing another flat tire or blowout. Always replace the flat tire or have it repaired as soon as possible to ensure your safety and avoid further complications. The automotive industry is gradually moving away from traditional spare tires toward alternatives like run-flat tires, tire repair kits, and roadside assistance services. Run-flat tires maintain their shape even when deflated, thanks to reinforced sidewalls. This allows continued driving at reduced speeds without needing a spare. Tire repair kits, like sealant and plug systems, provide temporary fixes for punctures. They're lightweight and space-efficient alternatives to carrying a spare. Roadside assistance services offer professional help for flat tires, including delivery of replacement tires or towing. They're convenient for urban drivers. While the 2021-2024 Buick Envision includes a traditional spare, future models may adopt these alternatives for benefits like weight reduction, fuel efficiency, and space saving. Stay informed about these changes and consider your driving needs when choosing your next vehicle.